Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to show you a fun experiment, a science and first-hand experience, right? And in that, do you know, children, what we are going to see? We are going to see an experiment of sink and float. So sinking and floating, that experiment we will see, and for that, what do you require? A bowl with water in it. Yes, and few items, right? Like balloon, ball, leaves, stone, paper boat, clay, spoon, eraser, and chalk. And one pencil is also there. Yes, children. Okay, now let's begin the experiment. Okay, now Madam is going to put what inside the water? Yes, this is a spoon. So children, do you think the spoon is going to sink or float? Let us see what it's going to do. Yes, it is inside the water. So that means spoon sinks inside the water. It does not float. Yes. And what is this, children? This is a leaf. Come on, let us put in the water and see what happens. Yes, it's floating in the water. Yes, can you see it's floating? Yes. Now next is an eraser. Let us put the eraser in water and see what happens. Yes, it went inside the water. So that means it is sinking in the water. Now let's put stone, pebbles, like in the thirsty crow. Yes, see? Stone also sinks in water. Now this is a plastic ball. Let us put the ball inside the water and see what happens. Yes, it is floating. It's not sinking. Now let us take one pencil. Yes, and put it in the water, madam. Let's see what happens. It is floating. Now let's take a paper boat. Yes, and see what happens. Paper boat is also floating in the water. Now see, this is clay. Let us see what happens to the clay. Yes, children, what did it do? It sank in the water. Sink, right? So clay is sinking inside the water, not floating. Now see, this is a balloon. Let's see what balloon is going to do. Is floating in the water. Okay, so what is the experiment teaches you? The experiment teaches you that boat, balloon, this is plastic ball, this is pencil, this is leaf. So these are all light in weight. So what happens? They float in the water. Rubber, spoon, stone, clay, right? They are heavy in weight. That is why it sinks in water. Now children, you also have fun doing this experiment at home. Okay, children? Bye-bye. Take care. But be careful that whatever experiment you do with your parents. Okay, bye.